you carry yourself with so much grace and charm that now you are attracting your match. I feel as if you are outgrowing old patterns that held you back. You are maturing in certain aspects of your life. You are not succumbing to patterns that were very repetitive, and patterns that kept you stuck when you knew your full potential. You are embracing your creativity. You are expressing yourself, you are expressing the magical you. You are connecting to your true soul tribe, because some of you may have felt like in the past, the friends that you were with were not a vibrational match. You're moving towards people who are like-minded. You are not accepting phone calls, messages, meetups, whatever the case is, just because you're lonely. You're getting very comfortable with that block button, and you're not replying back to people that you don't feel a connection to, regardless if they are family or not. You're moving towards a soulmate. Some of you have connected with this person in the now, and some of you are going to connect with this individual because you are vibrating higher. And because you're vibrating higher, you're going to attract much better. You are opening up more. And in the past, this was an issue, because I feel like, notice how I pause there, yeah? I noticed that I paused because I felt like in the past you may have been a person that was quite repressed emotionally. You may have felt like you were unable to really connect to your emotions. You may have been quite surface based. You may have felt like connecting to your emotions was too painful, but maybe due to you shedding yourself of old skin, or maybe transforming in a way, maturing, feeling like it's okay to embrace your emotions, becoming more free spirited in a sense, not censoring yourself, because it was a deep fear about expressing how you truly felt. And this is not just in regards to romantic relationships, this is in regards to speaking your truth. This is in regards to you saying no, you creating boundaries, you fearing the worst. If I say no, what's going to happen? Are they still going to think I'm the nice guy, the nice girl? This is not about other people anymore. I'm not saying you're going to be selfish or that you are being selfish and conceited. It's more about you honoring yourself. And when you feel tired, you saying, look, I can't do it today. I'm absolutely knackered, mate. Or it's about you just saying, I actually need to pay more attention to myself and my needs. And this is extremely attractive. No longer are you draining yourself to appease others. You're pulling back on your energy, and you're giving your energy to those that are deserving of your energy. You're not selling yourself short anymore. And I feel like you are coming out of a time of being quite detached when there was no need to be. Obviously, yes, we have to have boundaries, but you may have been so boundaried up, if that's even a word, to the point whereby you were scaring off potential romantic suitors. You were scaring off, people that wanted to actually be a friend to you, because of what you were experienced, because of what you may have gone through, because of the past. But in a sense, you may have given to the wrong people, like we all have done, but you created boundaries for the wrong people, and you are opening yourself up more to the right people, and you're becoming more happier. You're becoming more of yourself. You're showcasing your true personality. People may have got the wrong side to you in the past. They may have felt like you were one way, you were cold, you were detached, you were ruthless, etc. When it was further from the truth, it's because you were carrying around a lot of pain. You didn't allow certain people to penetrate the heart of you, the beauty of you. You were concealing it. You were distant from it. It was almost as if you weren't realizing how amazing you were, because you may have felt like in the past you gave your all and you were only met with rejection. You were only met with things being one-sided. This could be in regards to romantic relationships, especially. You may have felt, what's the point? there is every point, because you were just unfortunately given to the wrong people. They were non-deserving of you, and they didn't appreciate the beauty that is you. And this actually made you feel like there was something wrong with you, when in actual fact there is everything right with you. And now you're learning that. Now you're looking at yourself, and you're analyzing certain aspects of yourself. You're starting to embrace your quirks. You're starting to treat yourself much kinder. You're starting to see how beautiful you truly are within and outwardly. And because you are accepting yourself, other people are now wanting to embrace you. Your beauty is universal, not just your outer appearance, your inner beauty. You connect with many different people from all walks of life, because you radiate so much power. You've got big energy, you radiate love. You shine like a star, and a lot of people gravitate towards you. You are very optimistic, you are very spiritual, you are at peace with yourself, and whenever people are around you, they feel at peace also. You know, you are no longer getting involved in this type of tit for tat, one upmanship competition, especially if people have been trying to compete with you. And the thing is, if people don't want to compete with you, if people don't see you as a threat in some regards, then you're not doing something right, because you could be minding your own business, which I feel like you do with the type of energy that you carry. It seems as if you are just focused on yourself. You're not out there to, take anyone down. You want everyone to win, but unfortunately, not everyone's like that. Unfortunately, some people can find your energy as a threat, and because of this, they will try and destroy you. They will try and come up against you for no reason. And in some cases, you may have been nice to some of these individuals, but you're no longer trying to convince these people about who you are. You know who you are. The right people know who you are. Spirit, God, universe, whoever you believe in knows who you are. And that's enough. And it should be enough, right? You're closing a cycle to individuals who refuse to stop trying to compete with you, because you're realizing that it's a them thing. They have issues with themselves, and you showing up in your true powerful version of yourself is something that they are upset about, because they feel like, how can they get to this point, instead of using you as someone to look up to and be inspired by. They feel like you standing in your power is a disrespect to them, when you're just minding your own business. How ironic. But yeah, you're not getting involved with people that want to destroy you because they've got inner conflict that has nothing to do with you. You're leaving these people to deal with their inner turmoil on their own. Because to get caught up in this type of rivalry that you don't even know anything about will lower your vibration to their frequency, and then you're going to be stuck in a cycle of confusion and one-upmanship, whereby you're wasting time on something that is frivolous. You could be pouring into yourself, you could be pouring into your creativity, it's becoming the best version of yourself daily. And these things are designed to keep you stuck. These things are designed to waste your time, so that excuse me, you do not focus on what's really important. So for those people that have tried to trigger you, and you're going to get some of these people that will continue to do this because they don't know any other way, you're just leaving them to it. If anything, you pity them. You're choosing to invest in yourself. You're looking at these individuals and realizing that you can actually end up this way if you refuse to heal. You're not investing in stupidity like these people are. You are not afraid to transform. You're around a lot of people, unfortunately, that are quite stuck, that are a refusal to heal. And you don't want to be dragged in their mess. So you're not afraid to flee away from them. You are around certain individuals that are not connected to source. And you are, because where you're going, they are not. You're destined to shine. You're destined to win. You are amazing.